Here we go, making some progress finally. We'll call them larger strides, I guess. Went over to my homie Jeff's house. We had to use an air chisel to get out these two. They had like these collars on the top, and we had to totally smash them in. But got the diff end. Gonna get the arms all back together, and gonna pop those on either side here. I have some new axles back there in a box, a bunch of other new parts. We're gonna get this thing in the car. Let's get after it. Oh my god. I zigged when I should have zagged. I put the lefts on the rights and the rights on the lefts for the lowers. So I'm going to have to switch those real quick and then keep getting after it. Old folks' home's jamming. Alright, got quite a bit down here. So I ordered some axles off Rock Auto. This one fits the way it's supposed to. This one is too long, far too long. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong here, but this one seems to be in there how it should be, and yeah, the other one would have gone to like there, so like a ½ inch too much on it. But for now, we're gonna get this guy on the jack back there, roll her under the car. Got the S14 dropped on the ground here. Now we're gonna work on a little bit of cleanup and see what else we can get done. Well, we did it. We got the 240 on the ground. Got the Miata tucked. Have a few things left to do on this car yet this year. Gonna try and get it wrapped up today. Let's do it. Alright, got my drive shaft here. It is... So, I don't know what the diff is that was in the car, but I'm guessing it was an ABS diff or non-ABS, and the drive shaft is for not matching. But I got this awesome little adapter here, and that will make up the difference in space. When I put this in before, up here there was a little gap, kind of keeping it from sealing up the way that I wanted it to. I was worried about there being vibration as it would drive, so hopefully that gets it all cleared up. And it came with some hardware here too to make up for the difference there. So we're gonna get the car up in the air, we're gonna put the exhaust on and the drive shaft in, and we're gonna probably tuck her aside for the winter. A few other small projects to do on it though, but we'll see if we get around to them. Here we go, got the drive shaft all in. The spacer here will make up for the how much of a gap there was there. And now we're gonna put the exhaust on. Well, Alyssa came out with a windshield banner for the car, so had to toss it on real quick. One of our Gran Turismo banners that we sell, and had to, you know, represent the local club too. Yeah. I'm sure these are not the only stickers this guy's gonna see.